Good day, everyone. I am your intern teacher. So, our topic for today was all about the link between data, information, and knowledge. So, first, we have the objective. Identify between the data, information, and knowledge. Second, explain the data, information, and knowledge. Third is appreciate the importance of information and knowledge. So, what is data? Data is a collection of text, numbers, or symbols in a row or an organized form. For for example, this one. So, di ba ang inyong report card is na ay mga number. So, mauto ang example sa data. So, information plus data is equals to context. So, this example is kanang gibutangan na to og level or meaning ang data. So, mauna ni dayon ang information. So, what is information? Information is the result of processing data, usually computer. This result facts which enables proceed data to be used context and have meaning. So, ang information daw is kanang naanay meaning. So information plus experience plus intuition naanadayon ang knowledge. So what is knowledge? Knowledge is produced as a result of understanding information that has been given to us and using the information to gain knowledge and how to solve problem.